Impala Doctor giving you 3 minutes a game. This car at some point had been hit really bad and ripped up the bottom where the fender bolts onto the car. I bent it back as best I can. I got to weld this crack shut, and I am cutting a metal piece to weld onto here and drill a hole in. Show you how I'm starting on it. I just took a piece of air freshener cardboard, laid it on top of there, and traced over the imprint. Cut the imprint out. Got a pretty heavy gauge metal. This is a spacer, and took this piece, traced it with a magic marker, as you can see the black stuff, and took the drill blade, the grinder blade, cut a piece out of it. Now I come back here and I purposely cut it a little too big. And this piece is gonna fit like that, and then I'm gonna tack it in place. Now where this is bent up, you see that little opening right here? I purposely left this too long. I'm going to hit it with a hammer and bend it over, and then I'm gonna trim off the excess or grind it off with a grinder, probably a Dremel, so I don't hit nothing else. And then I'm gonna tack weld it the rest of the way around. Then I'm gonna fill in the weld all the way around. Then the bottom will look like that. We'll drill a hole in it and keep making the hole bigger, and we'll be good after that. You know, and bolt it in. Everything should be fine. So that's where we are on that repair. I have video 2 coming out in a second. 1964 Impala fender connection piece.